This week marks the 6-month anniversary of the deadly midair collision over Reagan Airport outside the nation's capital. The National Transportation Safety Board is seeking answers about the deadly crash between an American Eagle jet and an Army Black Hawk helicopter. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with more.
Good evening, Monse. The goal is to pinpoint exactly what went wrong and how to avoid a similar midair crash. Experts say the airspace around Reagan National Airport is very unique because it's widely used by both commercial and military aircraft. The hearing opened with video showing how the military helicopter flew above the 200-foot altitude limit and right into the path of the landing American Airlines jet.
Flight 5342 is visible in the upper left corner as it approaches runway 33. Pat 25 appears from the left side of the screen, moving to the right as the two aircraft cross flight paths.
Investigators said the flight data recorder showed the helicopter was actually 80 feet higher than its altitude limit. Witnesses testified that tests on 3 other helicopters from the same unit gave the same false readings. The altimeters were built more than 50 years ago.
Present day, of course, with advanced equipment, air data computers give you more of an option. But again, 1970s, late 70s, that was not available, and the government requirements specifically called out the altimeter to be used.
An Army helicopter pilot testified that altimeters are tested before each flight for accuracy. But if it's wrong and you're unfamiliar with the terrain, determining your actual altitude can be difficult.
Visually looking out the window between flying at 200 feet versus 300 feet, is there enough of a difference at those altitudes?
Yeah, that's a difficult question to answer. I'm not sure if you'd be able to resolve that difference.
I agree. I don't know that I could 100% accurately determine the difference in altitude.
They add wearing night vision goggles makes it even more difficult. Senator Ted Cruz has introduced legislation that would require all aircraft, commercial and military, be updated with new technology.
This technology allows aircraft to broadcast their positions and to receive positions of others in real time, faster than other technology in use today. It gives pilots and air traffic control a clear view of what is happening in the skies.
One Army expert testified he would take the entire helicopter fleet offline until the new technology is installed. The hearing will continue over the next 2 days. The final NTSB report won't be released until sometime next year. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.